Hello students, a very good morning to you all. This is your maths class and today we are going to start exercise 3.3. So let us proceed. Let us read first question, that is evaluate the following on number line. Okay, so we have to use number line and we have to operate this sum. Okay, so let us take a first one. It is 4 minus of minus 2. Okay, so let us solve it out also. This is 4 minus of minus. There are two negative signs very close to each other. Okay, 2 minus 2 is even, so it will be plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so let us do it on the number line. Okay, so this is the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. Okay, so here we have to take 4 first of all. So this is 4. Okay, now we have to add 2. Okay, when we need to plus 2, plus anything, any number, we need to proceed towards right hand side. Okay, we have to proceed by 2 units. Okay, that is 1 and again this one is 2. So what is the number? The number is 6. So the answer will be 6. Okay, let us take the second one. What is the second one? It is minus 4 minus of minus 2. Again, let us see, it is minus 4 minus of minus will be plus 2. Okay, so let us see. We have to include minus 4 also on it. Let us draw it up to minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. Now let us take minus 4. Okay. Okay, I have told you that when we add anything, we proceed towards we move towards the right hand side on the number line. Okay, plus 2 means we have to move by 2 units. Okay, 1 and then 2. So where we have reached to minus 2. So the answer will be minus 2. Okay, let us see the third one. Okay, so what is that? It is 3 minus 6. Okay, so let us draw the number line again. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, here it is 3 minus 6. Now we have drawn the number line also. Let us take 3. This is 3. Okay, when we subtract any number, we proceed towards the left hand side and we have to move by 6 units on left hand side, towards the left hand side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then this one is 6. So what's the answer? It is minus 3. So we will write 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Let us see the next question. Here we have to subtract. Okay, let us see one by one. The first question. We have to subtract minus 6 from 9. That is, it will be 9 minus of minus 6. Okay, there are two negative signs. So it will be minus minus, that is plus 6. Okay, so 9 plus 6, adding it we get 15. That's very easy. Now let us see the second one. Here it is minus 9 minus 6. Okay, so both the numbers are in minus, in negative. Okay, so just add them. It will be 9 plus 6, it will be 15 and the sign both are carrying is minus. So it is minus 15. Okay, minus 9 minus 6. Okay, so let us see the third one. What is that? Minus 6 from minus 9. We have to subtract. So minus 9 subtract minus 6. Okay, what it will be? It will be minus 9 minus minus, that is plus. Plus 6. So minus 9 plus 6. Okay, keep it in mind that here both the numbers are not being multiplied. Okay, they are being subtracted. So the sign will not change. Okay, here also let us see minus 9 plus 6. In this case both the numbers are having different sign. Okay, both the sign are having different sign. So just what you need to do, you need to subtract them. So 9 minus 6, what is the value? It is 3. And you have to use the sign which the larger number is carrying. 9 is the larger number, it is carrying negative sign, so it will be minus. You will be clarified na after seeing some many or more examples. Okay, let us see here what we need to do. We need to subtract minus 725 from minus 63. So this is the sum. Let us see, minus 63, minus of minus, it will be plus. Okay, now again I have told you that here both the numbers are having different sign. So what you need to do, you need to subtract both the numbers first of all. Okay, because they are having different sign. Okay, so just need to subtract them. Okay, what happens? 5 minus 3, 2, 6, 6, 12, and it will be 662. Okay, and what is the sign of this number? It will be having the sign of greater number. 725 is the greater number. It is having the sign plus, so it will be plus. No need to show any sign if it is plus. Okay. So let us see again here. We have to do the sum. Okay, here it is minus 237. Minus of plus. Here are only one negative sign. When there is only one negative sign, it will be negative. Means if the number of negative sign is odd, so whenever the negative sign appears number of times, that is odd number of times, it will be negative. So minus plus, it is minus. Minus 1884. Okay, so both are having negative sign. Both are having negative sign. So just if both number are having same sign, means either negative or positive, just add them. So we will add them, that is 1884 and it is 237, just add them. 7 plus 4, 11, 1 carry, 8 plus 9, 9, 3, 12, 2 carry 1, 8, 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry, that is 2121. 2121. And what is the sign we have to use? Both are having negative sign, we have to use the sign negative. Okay, let us see again here. What is the thing? Minus 346, minus of minus. How many negative sign? There are two negative sign. So it will be plus 1275. Okay, both the numbers are having different sign. Okay, so we need to subtract them. Okay, so 1275 minus 346. Okay, just subtract them. It will be 15 minus 6, that is 9. It will be 6. 6 minus 4, that is 2. And 12 minus 3, that will be 9. So it will be 929. And the sign, it will be carrying the sign of the greater number. Greater number is 1275. It is carrying plus sign. So it will be plus 929. Okay, let us see the fourth question. I am doing here the first part. Okay, so there is sum of two integers given, that is 17, and if one of the integers is given, we have to find the other integer. Okay, if I have the sum of two integers, that is equal to 8. Okay, and there is I have the first integer, one of them integer is 5, the another will be 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And how we have find it? We have subtracted one of the numbers from the sum of it. So here we have to subtract the one of the numbers from the sum of it. That is 17 minus 35. Okay, what it will be? 17. There are two negative signs together. It will be positive 17 plus 35. Okay, adding them, what we will get? We will get 52. So other integer is equal to 52. Let us see the next question. Here the sum of the number is given as minus 9. One of the number is minus 23. This is the same question, that similar question that appears before. This is the fourth one. Okay, so the number to be added to minus 23 to get minus 9. What we need to do? We need to subtract number from the sum. The sum is minus 9. We have to subtract the given number, that is minus 23. Now what happens? It is minus 9 and minus of minus it will be plus 23. Okay. Both the numbers are having different sign. Just subtract them. We will get what? 23 minus 9. We will get 14. Okay. And the sign it will be having the sign of greater number, that is plus. So 14 will be the number. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 14 will be added. 14 will be added to minus 23 to get minus 9. This is the final answer. Okay, let us see. What is the predecessor of 0? To know the predecessor of 0, what is predecessor? Any number that appears before that number is the predecessor of that number. So, for predecessor of 0, we need to subtract 1 from it. What we get? Minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, in this question, in 7th, we have to know the successor as well as predecessor. Successor is the number which comes just after it and predecessor just before it. Okay, so for successor of minus 31, that just after it, we need to add 1. Okay. When minus 31 plus 1, it will be minus 30. Okay, again, we need to know predecessor of minus 31. Just subtract 1 from it. Okay. So it will be minus 32. Now again, similarly, what is the predecessor of minus 735? We need to subtract minus 1 from it. Subtract minus 1. It will be minus 736. Okay. And we need to know the successor of minus 735. Just add 1 to it. What it will be? It will be minus 734. So this was all for today. Take care. Do the homework. Keep studying. Goodbye.